tracing stories on the window pane. Steam curls from the coffee calling out your name. You laugh so softly like the rain knows our tune. Golden light around you like the sun in the gloom. Your hand finds mine and the noise drifts away. It's just you and me in this quiet cafe. With you, the world slows down. Every heart beats the sweetest sound. Time forgets to move, and I don't care how, 'cause with you, the world slows down. The city blurs behind the glass, a watercolor dream. Your eyes hold the kind of light I've only seen in streams. A hum of music mingles with the beat in my chest. In this stolen moment, I'm exactly where I'm blessed. Your smile's the sunrise on this rainy day. Everything else just fades away. With you, the world slows down. Every heart beats the sweetest sound. Time forgets to move, and I don't care how, 'cause with you, the world slows down. Let the rain keep falling, let the night roll in. Every second's golden when it's wrapped in your skin. No rush, no fear, just your hand in mine. In this little cafe, love rewrites time. Final view, the world slows down. Even as the rain calms down, the city waits, but I don't care now.